Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be replacing the bottom screen of this Nintendo DS. A customer ordered this, and as I went to inspect it I noticed there was a dead pixel. You can probably, well, it's quite hard to tell, but if I zoom in you can see it just here. This pixel is completely dead, and I don't want them to go out with a dead pixel on their Nintendo. The top screen is fine. Top screen is really good. The bottom screen is needs replacing. So I do have a replacement screen, so I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, let's open up the back, take the game out. We have crosshead, take the battery compartment out. There's a number of screws on this. I'll go through it quickly, as I made another video on opening these. So one screw, there we go, come out. Got the battery, came out very quick this time. And then we have this screw on the top right, crosshead, set that to one side. We have two screws hidden under the feet that are also crosshead, so I like to get down underneath and pull up, like so. Onto these. So really nice, really nice shell, this one, original. Really nice. I always find metallic rose has got really good shells. They last a lot better than the white ones or the pink or the light blue, which seem to fade. Alright, got those out. We'll go for a tri-wing now. Tri-ring 1.5mm. These screws out the bottom right. Now, if I'm going too fast, you can slow the video down, or ask a comment below if you need any help or advice. So let's get on now. Open up. No. Try not to get my hand in the way, it's quite difficult with the camera. Alright, those two screws are out. They just don't want to let go. One's come out. This one will come out. There we go. Okay, one final screw, this black one, which is for the Nintendo DS game tray. There we go. Good. I'm going to take this slot out. There we go. Stiff slot. Okay, now we open it up and we'll get at the screen. Yep, so I'm just going to use my little plastic spatula tool thing and start to open it up. Usually the back comes up fine, but the front bit, there's clips. It's so much easier just to use the spatula. There we go. We've got it up. That's the piece. Set it to one side. And we've got our buttons. Top L and R button. I'll just pick them up, keeping my finger behind so the spring doesn't fall out, like so. And all we need to do for the bottom screen is to unclip the ribbon cable here. This is the touchscreen digitizer ribbon cable. So we unclip this. If I can get at it. Where am I on the camera? Here I am. I'm doing it without removing the Wi-Fi chip. There we go. I think if you don't have these tweezers and you're just using your fingers, you might need to remove this Wi-Fi chip. Okay, that's all we need to do. And then we need to unscrew two screws so it can come free from the motherboard. Second screw this side. Like so. Alright, now we can just push it up from the back like that, and then bring it over. Should be able to. It's stuck on this pink little clippy bit here. There we go. Okay. Now, as I was bringing this over, I just noticed that the select button fell out. So let's put that back in. And here's the select piece. Let's put that back on there, like so. Okay. All right. Now we have one more ribbon cable. Here. This is not the digitizer, this is the LCD ribbon cable. It comes out very smoothly. Should do anyway. realise that it's focusing in on my hand. Can I get that out? I say that. Now why isn't it coming out? There we go. Okay, screen removed. Zoom out again. Screen is removed, and I have my replacement screen. The frame is different, so we're going to have to take the frame off and replace that. So that's what the next step will be. So I'll move this up there. Okay, taking the frame off. Be careful you don't take up the digitizer, but you should just be able to get between the pink frame here. You want to get between here and lift it up gently. It is sticky, so it should be able to stick down on the other frame when you've finished. Oh, I'm picking up the digitizer. See if I can put my finger on that to stop it. Is that it? What's that? No, I picked up the digitizer. That doesn't happen normally. I better make sure that's pressed down correctly. Well, that doesn't matter because this is the broken screen. Let's try from this side if I can just get the frame. It's difficult. I might speed this up. Before, just be able to do it, no problem. Interesting. I'm starting to get it. There we go, starting to get it. Right, hopefully the digitizer is okay. I'm picking it all up. Should have stick that down though. Look at that, super sticky this one. Wow, really kept bringing up this digitizer all the time. Wow, that doesn't happen normally. I'll see what happens on the other screen. Look at that, I really sort of, I've got a few of these on order anyway, a few new ones. Oh, is it the digitizer? Where's the cover for the digitizer? Oh, I'm not quite sure actually. Anyway, I usually just remove this frame. So I'm going to do the same for this screen. Now this screen I do have to be careful on because this is the good one that I want to replace. So hopefully it doesn't bring up, hopefully it just brings up the frame. Yep, it is. There we go. Just the frame this time. Which is what I expected the first time. Much easier. I don't know why. Look at that. It didn't bring up the digitizer at all. Or whatever that part is underneath. There we go. Easy. Okay. Got those two removed. Now this is the good screen, so let's replace this back in. Come down. Let's get zoomed in. Right, we've got to connect it up here. So always be careful when using when connecting ribbon cables that you don't damage anything. The bottom screen does have these nice little hooks you can get your nails under to push in the screen. There we go. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's see if we can get them at the same time. There we go. That looks nice, and then pop that down. There we go. Just using nails for that. All right, let's put the screen back in, rotate the board around, get that bottom screen back in. Okay, and then we find the digitizer cable. Digitizer cable. It's hiding under this white wire. Like, can I get it out? Will I need to pull it back up again? Are you gonna come out? There we go. Good. Now I need to pop it in. This cable's a bit bent, so it could take me some time. Let's see how long it takes. I'll speed up the video if it takes too long. Yep, that looks good. I think it's a good video. Okay, nice. All right, cable's back in. I'm going to screw on the two motherboard screws. Let's see. Screw these two screws back on, put back next to it, and then test that the screen's turned on and work. Okay, nice. So I've got this battery. Just gonna make sure the contacts are in line and then push it on as I turn it on. So let's open up the screen like so. Switch it on. Oh, no power. What's gone wrong here? Is the battery aligned? Oh, no power. Oh dear. That's not gone to plan. Oh, is the battery not aligned? Okay, still not aligned. There we go. Alright, look at that. That screen should be absolutely perfect, that bottom screen. I can't really see any dead pixels. Oh, there's my face. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Good. Alright, I want to attach the frame back while it's at least a bit sticky. So let's get this stuck back down again. How's it? Oh, yeah, dust just got stuck there on the frame. That one up. Little bits of dust still here. There we go. There we go. Okay, nice. Stick that down like so. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Okay, so I'm going to attach the back now. We'll get the L&R buttons back in. So I didn't actually break any of them. It's not break, but they didn't come out of the rod didn't come out, so I can just attach them straight back in, which is nice. There's one. Zoom in, show you how I do it. Yeah, the rod's in, the little spring here. The spring, I need to. Oh, whoa! What's going on with the camera? There we go. I'm gonna pull that spring up and in like. Oh, no, spun around on me. Up and in like so. Like that. There we go, that button's back. Same with the other side now. Again, kept these intact, so that was easy. Push that down. And then the spring this side. You see, I'm never good at doing it this angle. I'm always better twisting it around. There we go. Springs in, clicks into place. Perfect. Let's zoom out on that. Okay, now we want to attach the back. So make sure the power button is down. Is it going to focus? There we go. So you want to make sure this power button's down because the power button here is down. And make sure, for me, I like the volume on the right side. Make sure the volume's on the right side here. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Look at that, online focus. Look at that there. Looks great. Okay. So I'll just screw the back on now, and then we'll check out the finished product. Okay, there we go. Let's open it up, have a final check. Look at that. Very nice. It's actually a much whiter screen on the bottom now. But white screen is pristine. Screens do go yellow over time. Oh! Digitizer not connected properly. That is the cable at the back. Ah, I should have tested that before I put it back together. That's a shame. Okay, I'm going to cut and come back when this is done. So I've done a time skip. Yeah, that digitizer wasn't working. I don't have a replacement one. So I did another screen swap. I had another screen and I swapped it. So now when I turn it on, here we go. Looks great. So let's just check the touch screen. Look at that. There we are. Touch screen is good. Can press everything. So I need to order a new digitizer for the, well, I've already ordered it now actually, for the screen where the ribbon cable had broken. But yeah, so this is going to go off to the customer tomorrow now, and hopefully they enjoy it. Yeah, I have more consoles on my website, so please check the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching.